Paola Jo from SederQuilts. Thanks for joining us today. This is going to be a Saturday with SederQuilts, and it's a Puzzling with Paula episode. Not quite sure how long this will take, but we had one of our viewers, Elizabeth, asking about how to handle the end of the quilt. She's anticipating her very first long arm quilter to be arriving soon, and she's been watching lots of videos and learning as much as she can. But she was wondering, how do you go about finishing it? And she said, I assume you just baste it and quilt it. And that is correct. You're a winner on that. But yes, as always, there are lots of options on how to baste and finish quilting, because sometimes quilts have just a little puzzle we got to work through. But yes, most of the time, once we get towards the end, we're just going to advance the quilt and we're going to baste it. The biggest question is,